from a place you've never been, a whisper on the wind, a silent invitation to come home. But this call, it's more than just a place. It's a pull from within, an inner fire that awakens, asking you a single powerful question. What were you born to become? This is Redfish Lake. It wears its name like a memory of a time when the water shimmered with such impossible brilliant red. It was said that you could walk across the backs of the Sockeye salmon who had answered the call. But these are not just fish. They are living legends. The most endangered salmon in all of North America. After years of wandering the vast, lonely ocean, that same fire is lit within them. An ancient promise awakens, and they begin the journey 900 miles against the current, climbing over 6,500 feet through a world they have never seen. They stop eating, their bodies consumed by a single sacred purpose. They transform, their silver ghosts of the ocean to the brilliant crimson prophets of the mountains. A final glorious flame of life, burning its brightest right before the end. The boat can only take you so far. The final steps must be your own. With every footfall on the sacred ground, you can feel the echoes of those who came before. For 12,000 years, this was the land of the Tukudika, the sheep-eaters, a people who lived in harmony with these mountains, who knew the secrets of every creek and canyon. Their story and the story of the pioneers who followed is etched into these stones. But the oldest story belongs to the salmon. As you climb, you can't help but feel their struggle in your own breath, their determination in your own heart. And then you arrive. The end of the line, a place of release. For the salmon, this is a culmination of an impossible journey. For us, it's a moment of clarity, a reminder that the most beautiful things in life are not things at all. They are moments. They are truths. They are the destination of a journey worth taking. After the cold of the mountain streams, the earth itself offers a gift, a moment of warmth, a moment of peace. These hot springs are a reminder that even in a world that can feel harsh and unforgiving, there is always a source of comfort, of grace, if you know where to look. But a gift like this comes with responsibility. The unspoken rule here is simple, yet profound. Leave it better than you found it. Leave no trace. It is the greatest lesson of the wild. The land gives, but it asks for our respect in return. It asks us to be guardians. Leaving the Sawtooths is like walking from a beautiful dream. You return to a world measured in seconds, not seasons. But something inside you has changed. You carry the silence of the peaks, the clarity of the water, the courage of the salmon. The Sockeye who made it home will fulfill their promise. They will spawn and die, and their brilliant red bodies becoming part of the forest, feeding the very ecosystem that will shelter their young. Their end is not an end. It's a beginning. A perfect, fragile, and sacred cycle. And it is a promise to us, a reminder that the inner fire isn't just about finding our own passion. It's about how we use that passion, how we fulfill our own important role in making this world a more lovely, happier, and kinder place. The greatest purpose we can ever find is to give of ourselves for something larger, to burn brightly, to love fiercely, and to make our own long swim home, leaving a legacy of goodness that will nourish the world long after we're gone. A special thanks to my AI collaborator, Google Gemini. Please subscribe, like, and share with your friends. And remember, the adventure never ends. See you again real soon. Bye now.